Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Emlx to Thunderbird. Search on Google BitRecover Emlx Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your Emlx files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing Emlx file. Select Emlx file. Check the folder. Select Thunderbird. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.